Hey y'all, today I am making the easiest high fiber, it's actually healthy for you brownies. I got a box of brownie mix and a can of fresh pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie filling, just pumpkin. There's no eggs in this recipe, so if you are watching, like you can't have eggs for some reason or milk, this recipe has neither. Just a splash of vanilla, probably about half a teaspoon. This goes right in there. And I've got a bag of dark chocolate chips. This is a 10-ounce bag, just a little bit more than a cup. So just go ahead and use a cup's worth, 8 ounces. Just keep a little extra for later, and then just give this a stir. Takes a minute, but that pumpkin is very hydrating, so it does come together like this. This is an 8 by 8. I've got a little bit of parchment paper and a little bit of oil. This is a very thick batter because it's brownies, not cake. Smooth this out. I'm gonna take the last 2 ounces of the dark chocolate chips. Scoop that all across the top. Then I've got these Werther's soft caramels. Caramels or caramels, you tell me how you pronounce them in the comments. I've got about a dozen of them. They're super soft. I'm just gonna shove them just kind of everywhere. Salted caramel, so we're gonna get a little bit of this pink salt. Just crack it right on top. So you got big chunks of salt on top of these brownies. And this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Look at how the caramel melted, it is so pretty. Cutting board here, and some giant spatulas are our friends. Big knife. Ooh, look at that caramel. Now you can serve this with ice cream or whipped cream. I kind of like this on its own. A little bit of caramel on there. Looks like fudge. It's so fudgy. It's so good. It's like a cross between a piece of chocolate and a brownie. You need to make these. They're so good.
No one's gonna believe they're actually healthy.